Kum sibenta ka jing no senyang ya ki Nongñiah kali Kamai bat ki Pulit berpenyat kali bandon ya ke bormat ka Koit ka Khiah kran haka arpu trek yong araja arpusan ke Shillong Traffic Police haka jia lang bat ke District Medical and Health Services kala penlong ya ke free medical camp lani ban ai jing sumar a ke basisngi hakendai lat Shillong. Kani ka free medical camp ka kentop ya ke jing sumar ya ki khmat ya ki skor ke jing sumar ayush bat kiwe de ki jat jing sumar. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor Uke Prasad MPS Superintendent of Police ke Shillong Traffic ulaong. Bagi Nongñiah kali Kamai bat ki Pulit penyat kali kisah Ktah baha hakal yang ke Koit ke Khiah namar ki hab ban sya ya ke sengi ban ring man siam ya ke Lyer Khiah haki Surok ke bapenlong ya ki bikin yo ya ki jingpang.
Police in collaboration with the District Health Service, we have organized one of the free medical health camp for the drivers and the police personnel. As you know that the health is very important for both of them because the drivers as well as the policemen, they are on the roads all the time, and the drivers mostly they are being stressed, may have the neurological disorders, the stress problems, cardiovascular problems, all those problems where his fitness is very paramount important. So for the traffic also it is very important because they are standing most of the part on the roads itself. They are exposed to the extreme heat, sound, noise pollutions, all these things which affect their health. So therefore, in order to make them fit and to get the first-hand information, we have already organized this medical free health checkup camp in collaboration with the district and health service. Whereas the eye checkup is there, deafness is there, they can go for the X-ray, the TVs, all other kinds of the treatments are being provided here. So these are the main objective for organizing this free medical health camp. Free medical health camp to assess their health. This is a pre-basic assessment health that they can assess their health, that how much they are fit and what things are required. Because these kinds of the health camp which help to improve your health and to give the better performance in the field. The people is very encouraging. A lot of doctors, I think the 7 or 8 doctors from the different departments, they are all here. Our traffic people are here. The drivers, they are participating and they are availing the free health camps. So this is very encouraging and this is a good sign.
Hakaju kapor ki doktor ki lapen pau baka jingkot jingkhia kalong ka bakongsan badia ki driver bat kumju ya ki Pulit bat menta kila don dagi spa tam ki bawan ban sya sumar hakani kasngi.
We are here today as an invitation from the Superintendent of the Police Traffic, East Pasig Hills, as they conducting this medical camp and awareness. And as such, from our department, we came from Civil Hospital Shillong and for screening of hearing loss, hearing impairment. Any patient or anybody having any decrease in hearing loss or having any difficulty in hearing or any ringing sensation in the ear, they can come here and avail the screening program that we are conducting today for any case of prevention of hearing loss and for detecting any early stage of hearing loss. So anyone having any problem, they can come here and we are conducting this medical camp as a free of cost, and they can come again for the review also in Civil Hospital Shillong for the PTA, that's circular audiometry, and for the screening test for hearing.
Nisno ba ka Koit ke Khiah kare ka banungko kare ka spamba an ki babun dong hagajing bun kam ting ni klat ban ayu ban sumari na de an kajing wan jungi bidang ka company ba ki department ki long concern ya ka jingko jingkhia jong ki staff ki jungi bangin ayu bangin sumari ki an nga sungo kumanong no ya ka department iba ni ya ka concern bagi don na kabanta ki staff ki jongki an kini nga iba da ka jingdon do ka jingra wan ra joki kam dei tang ya ki staff ki jongki driver ya ki driver mo ki ba don be on road maybe karo kumanong no da kam dei aku sauru ni la manong tra harus ko binta ki don ki ka department ka iba ki don concern om tang ki staff and driver ya ki public ro ki balong kumanong no kabanta ka bagi ki syakri ini sultan ada 100 plus tirawai ngidon ban ayaki free of cost na ka department joka ayush ani shaidon rukun kini ki camp o jaha kini ki por baladep na lor ba ngidon habo civil hospital ni shaidle chaki PHC CHC ban pelong yaki awareness program an ka government kalong concern de ki rural population ru ha ka bakin avail yakini ki scheme an kini kinawai ka bangi ay mentade kani ka bangi support ang national ayush mission so ki pendiang yang an ay free of cost itu tak kam sitam jo ni snotu ka treatment ni ka jing sumahi ka dai banlong integrated ti nakabanta ki bakam jo la ni ki emergency ni refer ki shaki higher institution shiki alopathic andre kini padai ki balong no ki kum ki chronic kum ki NCD kum ki BP ki diabetes ki badai long term treatment dei ki laban shim de kini ki don ki duna ka jing kita ki side effect mo kam don jing ta lada kam pen Khiah ya tu ka jing pang ka babi don ru ka met hi ka bread hi ki shabat and then kanam ta ya ki wei pat ki department
Wei na Nongñiah kali ru ulapan pau ka jing sngo kemen ka bakrau bandon kum kani ka kam bat ki kentu ya ki tenat Pulit bakin nang ai beteng ya kani ka jing ai jing sumar ai
Yang play mo ini di Shillong traffic police ini tak di tray kalau I mencegah dengan orang yang cakap free play di kantor kalau mau Atiar mau punya mentas kita yang layu apa Subhan mai lagi nak punya kan cepat free yang tadi cakap yo ke kompla akan kita kan tapi yang di check di sini di mau bro terus supply ai kata aku ai penkenang nanya itu cuma nama tak pun iki driver yo keluar mau ke sini mau tekan supaya saya ini kuat yang penkenang ya tengah sesisian asen yang
Habatin, pej bahagi ki shop plus F.
Ka plus F?
Haka bam bangi bam dunaki eki batte ye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka shop plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam Ktah ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka Koit ka Khiah. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka shop plus F menta kasni
Lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya